Ram to everyone. Hari Om. Let us begin with the Prarthana. Gurureva gati gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmidamo gurave na gurov paramam shishurasmi guru matiraste guru mama pahi guru Gurureva gati gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na gurov paramam shishurasmi guru bhatiraste guru mama pahi guru Gurureva gati gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na gurov paramam shishurasmi guru matiraste guru mama pahi guru. So we will continue with our prayoga. Okay, the vachyam, kartari and the karmani. I was thinking very constantly throughout the last class which dhatu will suit, such that I can give you the whole idea of the karmani. Unfortunately, I took gum, which is my favorite, which does not represent the passiveness that keenly, that clearly and precisely as other dhatu. After immediately I closed the class, sometime this dhatu occurred in my mind. That's drish dhatu. Okay, so drish, pashyati, drishyate. Okay, it takes that forms. So let us examine very briefly what conditions make karmani a little difficult affair for the students. What are the points? Sometimes even knowing the level of difficulty will help the student to understand. Though we cannot solve the problem immediately, it is always helpful in predicting certain things. Okay, in Jyotisha, they say something is bad is going to happen, or some good is going to happen. We don't know how big. Okay, so they cannot say that. So at least they can predict if it is good or bad, like that. So something which will help you. What makes it difficult? So what is making it difficult? First, it is not the exact like, okay, in the Prathama Purusha Ekavachana, it is Pashyati. What is the Vidhiling Prathama Purusha Ekavachana? Then it is Pashyet. It is not that one-to-one mapping. Sakshat Samyam Nasti. Because the Kartari is according to Karta, the Karmani is according to Karma. The total, it's tangentially opposite. Tangential, exactly, I mean, it's perpendicularly, not tangential, it's perpendicularly opposite. So, how to map it? So, for Pashyate, let us have Drishyate. That is not possible because Purusha is changing. What he is seeing, if a Pashyate is there, then some Karta is there. What he is seeing will decide the Karmani. Huh? Do you see that? Yatha saha tat pashyati. Tena tat drishyate. Here it is okay because tat is also tena, saha and tat. Both are prathama purusha. Tena for saha and tat for tat. Okay, tat is karma in the first sentence. Tat is karta in the, I'm really sorry. Yeah, tat is karma. It remains to be karma. It is in prathama purusha in the first sentence. It is in the, it is in the madhyama purusha in the first sentence and in the prathama purusha in the second sentence. Okay, so both are prathama purusha only anyway. Saha and tat in the first sentence. Okay. So what happens like Prathama Purusha Tat means Sarvanama. Okay, some Sarvanama. Right. So then this karma changes now. Saha eva pashyati. He only is seeing, but Saha mam pashyati. He is seeing me. He is not seeing that. He is seeing me. Now he and that are Prathama Purusha. But he seeing me, I become Uttama Purusha now. And Uttama Purusha is the karma here. What will happen in the karmani? Aham drushye. Aham not drishyate. Aham drishye. That is how it changes. Now, how will you map me? Somebody asked me, can you give all the forms, please? It's very easy to ask. Asking is very easy. Okay, you students have all the right to ask. But what it takes from me as a teacher is this intense thinking, and I have to give you whatever I have thought and whatever I concluded as useful for you. I am putting all the gist of my thoughts of all these 2 days in this place, and I'm trying to give you. So, kevalam rupadharena. Okay, it also helps me to probe deeper. That's very helpful. Whatever questions you ask is really helpful for me also. Okay, so if you want rupas, okay, please give us all the rupas. No? Oh, okay, I'll give you rupas. That's what I have given you last time also. Of the gam dhatu, I've given you all the rupas. But did they help you? They don't help you in the concept. They don't. Because you have to understand this basic difference between the karta and karma. Okay, karta and karma entirely diametrically opposite. Diametrically. Okay. Now, how it happens? Pashyati, drishyati. We'll take again the same example. Saha mam pashyati, aham drishye. Saha tvam pashyati, tvam drishyase. I should have given that example here. I'll change it. Okay. I'll change it right now. Okay. Saha mam pashyati, saha tvam pashyati. Okay. Then tvam what happens? Tvam drishyase. And right now, we are talking about lat lakaras here. Okay. We are talking about lat lakaras. Right? So this is what happens. Saha tvam pashyati, tvam drishyase. So here pashyati will not become drishyate. That's why we cannot map it 1 to 1. Okay. Right. Then lat lakara. Let us see the drish forms very quickly. I'll not take much time like last time. Let me just put it only this 5 lakaras we will take. 5 lakaras we will take. Okay. Lat prathama. Okay. It is seen. Okay. I'll ask someone to read. Okay. We will then see the forms. First, we will see the meanings and then we will see the forms. Okay. So I'll just first allow you all to talk. Give me few minutes because I did not do it in the beginning because everybody don't come in the first instance. So give me just a few minutes time. I'll unmute you all, but please mute yourself back. Okay.
Sanskrit Sangha in the.
Excuse me, please mute yourselves. Please mute yourselves. I tell multiple times, please mute yourselves immediately. Okay. Right now, I have unmuted everyone who is there in the class right now. Right. So now I want one of you to read. Nataraja Pushpavanamji, please read what is written on the this one.
Ram Ram. Lat Pratama, it is seen. They both are seen. They many are seen. Lat Madhyama, you are seen. You both are seen. You many are seen. Lat Uttama, I am seen. We both are seen. We many are seen.
Correct, correct. Thank you. So I asked Rajini Bhagini to tell the forms for these. What is it is seen? You understand this? Okay, I'll display on the screen. I should have put the both of them like that. Okay, you can read these and map the meanings. The first one.
Lat laka drishyate, it is seen. Drishyate, they both are seen. And drishyante, they many are seen. Drishyase, you are seen. Drishyate, you both are seen. And drishyadve, you many are seen. Drishye, I am seen. Drishyavahe, we both are seen. And Drishyamahe, we all are seen.
Dhanyavada Bhagini. Samyak Uktam. Very nicely put. Now I think you are all able to see what we are speaking of. I mean, those who already have a clear idea, I'm not talking about them. For those whom like Karmani is a little confusing, they can see the challenge in Kartari and Karmani mapping. We cannot map it 100%. Okay. So it depends upon the karma. It is seen can be taken for he is seen and he is seen and she is seen. For both you can take it. Okay. So they both can be two males, two females, one male, one female, or two things, or one thing and one person. That person can be male, female, anything. Okay, so many possibilities are here. I'm not talking about them because it's very childish to talk about them. Okay. Saha Ramam Pashyati, then Ramaha Tena Drishyate. Sita api Drishyate. Vastu api Drishyate. Okay. Then when we use dual, it can be like two Rama and Sita. It can be like two Ramas. It can be two Sitas. Like that. Okay. So like this, it goes on. Then the second one. Now we go to this one. Lang Lakara. What is Lang Lakara? Past tense. So just replace the it is by it was. Okay. So I ask Abhijit ji to speak. Please read out what is there on the board, on the screen.
Lan lakare drish dhato arthaha. Lan prathama, it was seen, they both were seen, they many were seen. Lan madhyama, you were seen, you both were seen, you many were seen. And lan uttama, I was seen, we both were seen, we many were seen.
Thank you so much. Now, PGG, you can please read out this Lang Lakara. Where is Lang? Let us find. Yeah, here is Lang.
Namaskara.
Namaskara.
Adrishyata.
Adrishyetam.
Adrishyetam. Adrishyanta. Adrishyathaha. Adrishyetham. Adrishyadvam. Adrishye. Adrishyavadi. Adrishyamati.
Correct, correct. Now, can you please tell the meanings also along with?
He or she or it was seen.
You can
They-
say it. Okay.
Both of them were seen. All of them were seen. You were seen. Both of you were seen. All of you were seen.
Better than all, can you use many? Instead of all, please use many. Because it's not about all, it's about many only. Bahuvachana means many. Okay?
Shamnatam.
Chinta nasti.
You
What?
many were seen.
Right.
I was seen. Both of us were seen. We many were seen.
Correct. Very nice. Nice. Okay. Okay. So by this, I think you have understood it. So how it works? Then we come to Rit Lakara. Do you want to continue, or please tell me, please don't hesitate to tell me if you understood till here or you want more explanation. I am not asking those who are already aware. I am asking those who have a little confusion, those who did not have this clarity before. Did you get it? Please tell me, unmute yourself. Not those who are already aware, those who really are comfortable, please don't answer.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We understood better now.
Okay. Yeah, I think I have allowed everyone to talk. Yeah. Fine. So we will go ahead. Until here, please now these slides will be with you. You can just map and practice. I am not giving you spoon feeding. I don't want you to be given like everything, all tables, stabilized, everything very fixed. No, you prepare the tables now. You map those forms with these tables and then you will be able to understand. Take only 5 lakaras. Don't go to other ones. Not that they are not used. Okay, they are used rarely. That's a fact. You must know all the fact, but you'll be confused. But what are very general, what are very normally used will be very useful for you if you work out. Okay, you work out that way. Just sit, write all the 3 into 3 tables very perfectly with the English meanings. Then you will be able to like see for yourself how the karmani is working. When the karmani starts working in your mind, then you have no confusion at all. Whatever sentence is given to you, which lakara, which vachana, which purusha, you will see of the karta. Then which lakara, which vachana will match. No, which lakara will match, but which purusha, which vachana will match karma. That point also I'll add. Okay, so which lakara, you will get it. That will not change. Okay, I'll write down this point. Which lakara does not change in the sentence. What changes? This one vachana and which purusha. So these two change according to karma. That is what you have to keep in mind. So that's the criteria. Okay. So these are the forms. I just tried to put it like lat lakara, lit, just leave it, lut, leave it, rut, take it, lot, take it, lung, take it, then vidhiling, take it, hashirling, leave it, lum and rum, leave it. Okay. So these things you will leave because we are anyhow not having much English equivalents and much. We can manage with the others. Okay. So this is used. Tena adarshi. Okay. By him, he was seen. So this I had a difficulty last time. You remember when I was trying to in the gum context, and I was trying to think. I felt a little some skid kind of feeling in my mind. Oh, what's wrong here? So here adarshi, tena adarshi. So can anybody tell me what is tena adarshi? It's a general past tense. So seeing the vachana and the purusha, you can tell me. Lung lakara is past tense. Adarshi is prathama purusha ekavachana. Who will tell me the meaning of it? Because it comes a lot in the usages. Adarshi, tena adarshi. So what will be the karma there? Or subject in the English?
By seeing
Karma will
Another.
be one
It was
person.
seen.
He, she.
He, she, it will be the karma. So can you give one example? Tena adarshi. Can you supply a subject to it? Can I say tena aham adarshi?
Yes.
No.
No.
He, she, it cannot be I. So please
Tena
supply.
sa- Tena saha adarshi.
Tena saha adarshi. Okay, fine. Okay. Got it, everyone? That is how it. Please map that way. Take some time. Never be in hurry. Let the mind calculate. Calculations always happen slowly in our minds.
So
give
can I,
some-
Baini, can I say Tena aham adarsishi?
Yes, we can say that. We can say that.
Ten sahadarsh.
Tena saha. Don't say ten. Ten is wrong. Okay, Raman. Ten. They are not Tena. Rama.
Tena.
Okay, fine. So let's go ahead with the sentences. I hope until here all the karmani concepts will be clear, because it's the first time I am telling. I have taught karmani twice or thrice before, but this much I did not work. Okay, so giving these steps are first for my from my side also. Okay, I hope it was clear. From like if I find more points any other time, I'll supply to you before these classes close. If any other points occur to me, I'll share. Okay, fine. So now I'm lowering all hands and I'll call names. You don't raise hands today. Let me call those who never raise hands also. I want them to participate. Okay, so let me choose names.
Bahini, I have one question.
Please, yeah, please.
In the previous example, Tena aham adarshi, if I just drop out Tena, it is still Shuddham, right? Aham adarshi. I was seen, but it could be seen by anybody, right?
Adarshi, she, it should be aham.
Yeah, aham adarshi, yes. Tena aham adarshi, or I can say aham adarshi, leave the person who saw me, should be Tena or te, something like that, right?
Correct. Subject is
Dhanyavad.
not important there. Aham drishye. See, kimaham drishye, when we play hide and seek. Then I say kimaham drishye, am I seen? No, I'm
Yeah.
not seen. Like that. Okay? That we can. So in that construct, you can just build a story like two kids are playing, then each other, like three kids are playing, then they are talking with the hide and seek context. You can use all these verb forms. Okay, you can build a small story based on that also. Nice. Thank you so much. I should be thanking you for making me think all this. Fine. So let us begin now. Parul Desai ji, please translate the first sentence.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
A letter will be written by me to you. By me to you. Maya. Maya. Tvam. Maya.
So here two should not be taken for karma. Two should not be taken for karma. I write you a letter. It seems to be like to you is for you. Let's take it as for you. Right? For you a letter. I mean, it will not apply in Sanskrit. That's why I'm telling.
Okay. So, Maya. So, I shouldn't write tvam. Tvam.
Okay, let us think about tvam later, but you can translate this part first.
Maya patram likhishyam.
Will be written. Correct.
Will lekhishya.
Correct.
Lekhishya. Ma'am, I don't know that form.
No. Everybody be in mute. Please let Parul Bhagini try. You are saying it correctly, Bhagini. Lekhishyate only. Letter. Letter is Pratama Purusha. So te will come.
Patram.
And it is like Bhavishyat. Bhavishyat is lit lakara. Lit lakara, you are saying it correctly. So lekhishyate. Correct.
Lekhishyate.
Maya lekhishyate. So for you, because you are the Uddeshya. For you, I am writing. So you in fur form. You in fur form. Tvam, tvam, tvaya.
Tava. To you. Tvam yuvamyavam tvam tvaya. Tubhyam.
Correct. Okay. So maya tubhyam patram lekhishyate. I'll change this. I said I am putting all these things. It's same. So it's not lekhyate, it's lekhishyate.
Lekhish. Dhanyavad Bhagini.
Please try. Yeah. Keep trying. Nice. Well tried. Okay. Next I'll be calling Rudresha ji. The stars are not seen in the day.
Namaskara. The stars are not seen in the day. Udaye nakshatrani na drushyate.
Dine. Udaya is pratah kala. There's a morning. Udaya is morning. So dine nakshatrani.
Dine nakshatrani na drushyate. Drishyante.
Okay. So diva is also there. Diva is an avyaya which you can use. Dine, dina samaye, or diva, we can say that. Okay.
Thank you.
Divana drishyante. Very good. Nice. Well tried.
Dhanyavad.
Shubhamastu. Shantaji, Shanta, CK. Next.
Hari Om Bhagini.
Hari Om.
I have attended only 2 classes, Bhagini.
But still you have to try, Bhagini. We will see how it goes, okay?
Okay. In this class, Sanskrit is learnt by 20 students.
Oh.
I am Kachye Samskritam Vimshati Chatraha.
So who are the Vimshati Chatraha? They are Karta, Karma. What are they in the sentence? See, Karta,
They are
Karma is one thing and Vibhakti is another thing.
Karta is, they are Karta.
It's Karta. So it will get
Trutiya. Trutiya.
So Vimshati Chatra.
Chatraihi.
Chatraihi, correct.
Patyante.
No, Patyante, no.
It's
Who is,
like,
what is learned? What is karma now? Karma will get importance.
Sanskrit.
Sanskrit. Please don't say Sanskrit. Nobody should say Sanskrit. It's wrong.
Samskrita.
Say Sanskrit. Sanskrita, if possible. Sanskrita. Whatever spelling you say, Sanskrita only.
Samskrita is learned. Patyante.
No. Why Patyante? Sanskritam is many, yeah?
Patyate.
One or many? One. Patyate. So, Vimshati Chatraihi Sanskritam Patyate. Agree? Till there?
Yeah.
Now, this part is there in this class.
Imam Kachaya.
Kaksha. What vibhakti will come?
Saptami.
Saptami will come. So Kaksha is a Strilinga. Saptami Ekavachana. One class.
Kachayam.
Kakshyayam, correct. And in this will have the same thing. The Sarvanama will go along with the noun.
Iyam Kachayam.
No, not Iyam. Kakshyayam is in Saptami. So Iyam also will get Saptami.
Ime.
No, Ime is not Saptami of Iyam.
I'm not getting it.
No, you know it. Okay, I'll help you. Asyam Kakshyayam.
Asyayam Kachayam.
Idam Shabda will be Iyam in the Strilinga and its Saptami in Stri Ekavachana is Asyam. Asyam Kakshyayam. Okay. Vimshati Chatraihi Sanskritam Patyate. Good. Well
done. I have attended only 2 classes.
Please cover up, okay? Otherwise, you won't be able to follow.
Yeah. Starting from the beginning now. Dhanyawada Bhagini.
Shubhamastu. Next, Jai Shri Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini. Fruits are eaten by sages. Guruna or Rishi. I don't know. Guruna say. Guruna.
Not Guru. Rishi. Please.
Rishi.
Which vachana is it?
Tritiya it should be. I forgot Tritiya, but Rishi.
You got Tritiya correct, but Vachana wrong. Vachana
Says
is
it.
Naman.
Yeah. Matya, Matibhya, Matibhihi. Rushibhi. Rushibhi. Phalani. Phalani. Mulani. Cha. Khadyan. Khadyete. Khadyete.
No, not Khadyate, because they are all in multiple only.
Okay. Khadyante.
Khadyante. Okay. Rishibhi, Phalani,
Rushibhi.
Mulani, Cha,
Khadyante.
Khadyante. And don't go by Mati for Rishi. Hari is the right word because it's Pumlinga. Okay.
Rushi.
For
Yeah,
Rishi, not Mati.
Okay.
Because you may go wrong in other forms where the
Other things. Yeah.
then you'll go wrong.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Then next I'll call Ashok Bursurkar ji. Next is your sentence. Association with wicked should be given up by you. Can you please try?
Dushtayam Sangaha. Dushtayam Sangaha Varjatam.
No. By you.
Dushtayam Sangaha
Just catch hold of
Tvaya Varjatam.
Tvaya Dushtanam, not Dushtayam. Okay, Dushtanam.
Dushtanam.
Or
Dushtanam.
Dushtasya, we can say.
Okay.
Should be is not tam. Should be is not tam. It's eta. Vidhiling.
Should be means what is the correct verb?
Vidhiling lakara.
I think I must admit to you this occasion that I not really grasped the complete lakaras, 10 lakaras or 6 lakaras.
I gave you some keywords last time. You remember? I gave you some keywords. I said Vidhiling should be associated with should be. Didn't I?
Yeah.
You just map it with that. Is, was, should be, let it be, will be. Like that you do it. Okay, that's what I exactly did here.
Now this one is that is it Vidhilinga or what is it called? Ashilinga?
See, Ashiling we are not using right now. We are only introduced 5 lakaras. So better Vidhiling. Ashiling is not that. Ashiling will have let it be, may it be kind of. Not let, may it be kind of. Okay. So see.
Potential move, no?
No, not potential. Potential is Vidhiling only. That's benedictive. Ashiling is benedictive. We'll come to that later. But please observe.
Okay.
Is. Okay. Lang lakara, all was and were. Rit lakara, will be everywhere. Okay. Lot lakara, let it be everywhere. Vidhiling lakara, should be. Okay. So please remember these lines. And if you want Ashiling, then it is maybe, may it be.
Okay. Thank you.
So Yushma bihi, by you they are taking it as plural. But I take it as Tvaya. Okay, it's not Yushma bihi, let it be Tvaya only because you many not there. Then Durjanaihi, Saha Sangaha. Saha and Sangaha should be separate. Then Tyajyeta, that is it. You say Varjyeta then. If you say Varj Dhatu, then it's Varjayet in the normal, like Varjyeta in the Karmani. It's not abnormal. Okay, I should not say normal, abnormal. It's like in Kartari and Karmani. Okay.
Tajet is the correct one. Given up Tajet is the correct one. Varjaying is avoiding, I think.
Tyajyeta, not Tyajeta. Tyajyeta, Varjyeta. The ya should come. Yak should come.
You start with Sangat Tajet. Thank you.
Bhagini, can we use Yushma bihi Durjana Sangatvam Tyajyeta?
Durjana Sangaha, because association with is there, na? That's why Durjanaihi. Do you see that? We are not using in English in the compound form. So association with wicked is there. It's not in compound form. So we are not taking compound form in Sanskrit also. Simple.
Bhagini, if we were to use Tvaya, then the verb form will change. No, Tyajye.
That is where that all the karmani is there only. You tell me why. What should be left? What should be abandoned? That will get the kriya. Kriya will be according to that, not by you. You are the karta. Karta is not associated with anything. Karta doesn't touch the karma here. Karma touches the kriya here. Sorry. Karta doesn't touch kriya anywhere in karmani. Karma touches the kriya. Kriya is according to karma, not karta. So tvaya is, who is tvaya? Who is tvaya? What is the subject of the sentence? Is it you or the sangaha?
You.
Bataiye, please.
Subject of the sentence.
In English, subject of the sentence.
Should it not be Tejjetam, Sevetam? Like
Should be, yeah, no,
Even
should be.
by you, no? By you.
Again, we have decided upon certain things. Let, should are associated with certain lakaras very, very clearly. Why tam? Here it is saying should be. Should be is not tam. You just leave it. Leave it is lot lakara. Then you will say tam. But he has not, he's not saying leave it. He's saying should be left. You see the difference? Huh? Lot is agnya, like it's quick. And with Madhyama Purusha, it's never missing. We discussed lot lakara very clearly. With Madhyama Purusha, we are not going to miss the idea. Very direct. Okay?
thank you.
Bhagini, I don't know whether you discussed this already, mentioned. Instead of Yushma Yushma is Bhagavachana, right? Can you not use by you as a singular like a Tvaya? I mean,
Tvaya, I said in the beginning only, Tvaya we are going to put it. We are not going to put Yushma because by you many is not there. So you is Tvaya. By you is by Tvaya.
Yeah. Bhagini? Again? In Kannada, it is Nimminda.
Nimma is Bahuvachana, right?
Yes, Bhagini. In Kannada, Nimminda Durjanara Sahavasavu Bidalpadadi.
Then we will add many here in the English sentence. Okay. See, in the book they make that then we cannot do anything, isn't it? Do you agree? Do you all agree? In English it is one and in Sanskrit, in Kannada it is one. Then I cannot decide upon it. So do accordingly.
Brackets, if they give for English, it will be very easy.
So if you are following Kannada version, then you can use Yushma Bhihi. If you are following English version, then use Tvaya. I don't know if they have the key in the mind when they give, if they give these sentences only or other sentences in the exam. I'm not sure. Okay, I didn't check in the exam papers. So you can just be ready. For us now, we are doing it in so detailed that I don't think you'll miss anything, even if they give from outside. Okay.
so if we change the Yushmabhihi to Tvaya, then the Kriyapada should also change, right? The Jeta.
Why? That is what was the question from Kohamji. Why? Right. You tell me. Here, Jeta is according to you or according to the which one?
The Yushmabhihi is a Bahuvachana. So is it a Tejyete is a Bahuvachana Kriyapada?
Tejyeta will be according to Yushmabhihi. That's the first question.
Yeah, I don't remember the exact just one. Tejata, Tejyeta.
No, Bhrata. I'm asking one question. Tejyeta is you or some association. Is it association or you which should be Tejyeta?
Association.
Oh, okay, got it. Okay.
That is where we always tend to get confused here. That karmani is little like it.
It is, yes.
Yes.
You can be easily. It's like a curve ball. So yes.
it's curved. That is what it's twisted, turned, curved, and all. So we should be a little careful. That's why the rules are given to you. Aham bahu spashtataya dattavati. Please listen to them. Then you can make very easily like mapping. Okay. Well, so next sentence is for Nandini ji, Nandini B. Lanka was burned down by angry Hanuman. Wonderful thing you did, right? This is a very, very beautiful episode in Ramayana. I'm very tired of, oh, forgive them, please let them, they will learn their own lessons. I'm tired of these things. Why don't people read Ramayana? Did Hanuman say, oh, let them go, they have like, they will go, they will suffer their own papa? I did not say. Then if you'll do that to me, I'll do much bigger to you, okay? And here there's a small comment. Fine, please tell. Yeah.
Lanka dahanti by angry Hanuman. Hanumanena.
No, Hanumata. Hanuman is matup. So Hanumata will come.
Angry Hanuman. Krodha.
Somebody who is in Krodha is called something else.
Ukrosha?
No. Krodha is the right word, but along with it, some other pratyaya should be used. Krodha is anger. It's not angry. Do you see the difference?
Yes.
Kroditaha.
1 minute. Please let her try. Please let her try.
Okay. I don't know what suffixes to be added.
Krodhita. She said kruddha. Kruddha is the word, not krodhita. Krodhita has nich in it. Okay, it's like preranarthaka. So kruddha or kupita. Kruddha or kupita.
Kopita Hanuman. Kupita Hanumanata.
No. Kupitena. The Visheshanas also, you remember the point on Visheshana? Yes. Now this is a Visheshana. So Hanumata is the third form of Hanuman. Then Kupitena is the third form of the Visheshana. Okay, Kupitena, Hanumata.
Lanka was burned down. Lanka, Dahate. It was Lotlakar.
Not Lot.
Lat is Vartaman. Bhavishyat nahi hai. Okay.
No, Lang Lakara, correct.
Lang only, okay.
Adahata is a plain one. Okay, in the Kartari it will be Adahata. Adahat, in fact. But it is now Atmanepadi termination according to the karma, and yak should come. Please supply yak and Atmanepadi to the same thing.
Kupitena Hanumata Lanka. Sorry, ma'am, I don't know.
Adahata, you said na?
Yes.
Ta is Atmanepada termination only you used, but not daha. Yak should come. Where should the yak come? I gave you a principle, like a formula I gave, x plus x plus yak plus y. X plus y is dhatu and pratyaya, and yak should come in between. Daha is the dhatu, ta is the pratyaya. Where should the yak come now?
Adhya.
No, after the dhatu. What is the dhatu? What happens to all the consonant ending dhatus? Daha. Daha is the dhatu, isn't it? Huh?
Yes, daha.
It's a consonant ending dhatu. Where does the yak come? How does the yak come? I gave you the steps. For all the consonant ending dhatus, yak comes directly. No change happens.
Dahya.
Ah, there you are. Dahya. Correct.
Adahya.
Adahya ta. Huh?
Adahyata.
Adahyata.
Okay.
If it is like normal one, kartari, then it's adahat. The prathama purusha ekavachana adahat. Right? But in the atmanepada termination and in the karmani prayoga, it will be adahyata.
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 Krudita. Kruditena. Kruditena. Hanumata. Lanka. Adahyata.
Adahyata. Correct. Okay. Right. Very good. Very well tried. Krodhina. Krodhi. Yes, we can say krodhi also. That's innanta. Now we don't know innantas. That's why we are using tanta. Okay. Adahyate. No. Adahyata. Because te is. Hey, how can te come with a? No. This is a is adagama comes for lang lakara. Now how can te come? Te cannot come. Adahyata, adahyetam, adahyanta. Like that it goes. Let us see the next participant. Next one. Ola Subbarao-ji, please tell, how can money or education be acquired by a lazy person?
Namaskaram. How can money or education?
I'm not able to hear. Please a little louder.
Namaskaram, Mode.
Namaskaram.
How can money or education be acquired by a lazy person? Alasena. Dhanam va vidya kadam labhyata.
Go step by step. Alasena, that's okay. Then
Alasena. Dhanam va vidya.
Correct. Vidyava. Va comes in the end in Sanskrit. Dhanam va vidyava.
Dhanam va vidyava kadam labhyata.
Correct. How can katham labhyeta? How can? Correct. Labhyeta only. Labhyatam we cannot say. Should and can for the vidili. Okay. Labhyeta. Katham alasena purushena. Vidyadhanam va labhyeta. Good. Well tried. Well. Very well put. Nice. Next, Amita Bhagini.
Bhagini, can we say prapnayata? Prapnoyata.
Prapnoyata we cannot say. Apnoyat, apnute.
Prapnoyate.
Or something will come. Prapnuyata or something will come. Prapnuyeta, na? Prapnuyeta. Something like that should, because ap dhatu, I don't think it has atmanepada forms. Let me just check.
Lab only, we'll take lab.
Ap dhatu. No, it doesn't have atmanepada forms. Okay. So, bhava karmanoha, let me see. Apyeta.
Arkita, you cannot use.
So nu will not come, na? Yak will come. Oh, sorry. No. Apyeta. Why? Because the nu will not come. I am sorry. See, I forget like this. Apyeta. Ap directly it will take. We are like driven by that vikarana pratyas like anything. Nu will not come, right? Apyeta. Directly. Ap is the ending, like consonant ending dhatu. I'm really sorry. Apyeta. Prapyeta. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
The accused was asked by the judge. By the judge will be Nyayadhishena. Nyayadhishena.
Nyayadhishena.
Nyayadhishena. And accused will be Abhiyuktam.
Abhiyuktaha doshi.
Abhiyuktam. Then
No,
Prichet.
Abhiyuktam by accused is the subject. So it is in the
Abhiyuktaha. Abhiyuktaha. And it will be Aprichat or Aprichet.
No,
Prichet. Prichet.
No.
No.
You are using Kartari.
So it will be
which lakara it will come? First tell me that.
Was asked. It will be a lang lakara.
Correct.
So Apricha will not come Aprichat.
Why will it not come? Tell me first thing. You're just missing the basic rules.
Asked is
No. What will be the termination? Termination will be Atmanepada. Definitely it's not going to be Parasmay Pada, sorry.
So it will be Aprich. Will it be Aprichet?
Eighth will not come. Why? A will not come. Upasarga
will not come. Prichet. Prichet.
No, not th with alanta, no.
Pricheta. Pricheta. Pricheta.
Pricheta. Aprichyata. In fact, because adagama, it's lang lakara, right? If you say vidhiling, then that's prichyeta. But here we are using lang lakara. So aprichyata.
Aprichyata.
Aparadhi or doshi or abhiyuktaha, we can say anything. So that basic thing is Atmanepadi terminations only with yak. Yak will come.
Yeah.
Nice. Next, K. Sita Ramji. All the citizens are protected like children by the king. Before that, one moment. There is one question. Etasyam kakshayam asmin pathe. No. Patha is different, kaksha is different. Okay, so we will not mess up both of things. They say class, then we use kaksha. That's all, our varga. That's better. Yeah.
And in this we can also say asmin, not asmin, asyam.
Asyam kakshayam, asmin varge. Okay, if you say varga, then asmin varge. Otherwise, asyam kakshayam, because kaksha is a strilinga. That is.
All the citizens are protected like children by the king. Sarve prajaha nirupena vassaha eva palayate.
Palyate, correct. All the citizens ke liye, what did you say?
That is praja. Prajaha. Sarve prajaha. Nipuna, that is Raja. Or Raja.
By the
Vatsa eva. Putra eva or Vatsa eva.
Vatsa eva, not Eva. Vatsa
eva. Vatsa eva. Palayate.
Correct. Palyante.
Palyante.
Not Shishuriva, but it is like prajaha santanamiva, we can say like children. Then shishavaha iva. Okay, so we should say
Dakshande.
children
Raja.
is like
Raja.
shishavaha iva.
Nirbaha children.
Ripa is okay. Ripa Raja, they're okay. Ripena Rajnya by the king. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, here Shishuriva is Shishuhu plus Iva, is it?
Shishuhu plus Iva, Shishuriva.
So it is child like or children like?
Like children, like children, like child. Yeah, for that. Shishu.
So here we should write Shishavaha Iva only.
Yes, yes. Shishavaha Iva. Should we change to Shishavaha now? Yes, please change. I will change and give the document.
Bhagini, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
There is a Raja Sabda also. There, the Tritiya Vibhakti is Raja. Is that not correct to use here instead of Ragya?
No. Tritiya Vibhakti is not Raja.
No, Raj Sabda. Raj.
Rajan.
Yeah, you can use that. Raja. Okay, now I got it. Yeah.
She is Rat Rajav Rajaha. Rajav Rajav Rajaha.
But it's not
Raja.
It's not very popular. Please don't use it. Otherwise, the examiner will think that you don't know the form. Okay. Yeah. You have to explain in bracket that I used this Shabda. Why mess up?
I agree. Ragya sounds better. But I was wondering where Raja could be used.
And the Kavis and all, they do a lot of like gimmicks with this. Okay. They play a lot of like sport with these words and all. We can use our skills there, but not in exam. Don't take any chance from my side. Be as clear as possible. Don't be poetic. Okay. Don't be pun and that wit kind of things. Don't use in the exam. It will put you in danger. Okay.
Madam, it is Rajan. So it's Nakaranta. So why it should not be Rajaha? Because you said A, E, Aha, Aha, E.
Rajan, Rajnya. Jan is there, na? That's why it takes Nya.
It's Rajan.
The A is in the end. See, Rajan, Rajnya, that A I was speaking of. Rajnye, A also there. Rajnye, Rajnyaha, Rajnyaha, Rajnyi. That A, E, Aha, E in the end it comes. It will not mess up with the word.
It's because the Na, Rajan.
Rajan.
Na. Okay.
The Na runs into Ja. What happens is that the Na is there, na? It runs into Ja. So it becomes Nya. That's why it is Rajnya and all. Okay. Next is for Ghanashyamji. The moon was seen in the east in the evening.
Ram Ram Modaya.
Ram.
The moon was seen in the east in the evening. The moon was seen. Moon is an object, so it will be in the Prathama Vibhakti. Chandraha was seen. Drishyate. Chandraha drishyate. Purve. In the east, in the evening. Purve sayankale.
Correct. But was seen is not drishyate. Drishyate is
Adrishyat. Sorry. Either pass the card. Adrishyat. Adrishyat.
No, Adrishyata.
Adrishyata.
Ending has it is not halanta. Adrishyata.
Okay. Adrishyata.
Chandraha sayankale purvasyam dishi adrishyata. Purve we will not say purvasyam.
Okay.
Because dish shabda is a strilinga. That is why purvasyam. Okay, not purve.
Right.
Or you can say purva dishayam sayankale. That's best. Okay, then we come to an end. We did before it 1 minute before we close the class today. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, I'll quickly do one revision, then you can ask questions. Just one moment. I'll complete my part and then. So what we did today was we just brushed up the Kartari Karmani rules a little bit. Okay. Like we said, they are not equal with in the case of Kartari and Karmani. Okay. So we saw the examples also. Then we tried to formulate some basic sentence translation rules for the 5 lakaras. Okay. So the translation was given in English, which you will map with the Sanskrit forms. Okay, which I have taken from the UHYD, this one. Okay, Samsadhani site. Have taken all the forms. Thanks to them for making these. So you can just take the 5 lakaras, pick up and then work with them. Then we have tried to translate. 2 more points we added was karta karma is one thing, and prathama vibhakti and dvitiya vibhakti, tritiya vibhakti are different things. So karma is in dvitiya vibhakti in the kartari, but karma only is in prathama vibhakti in the karmani. Karta only is in the prathama vibhakti in the kartari, but karta only will change to tritiya vibhakti in the karmani. So it's about 3 vibhaktis, 3 kinds of play. Okay, so the prathama vibhakti is taken over by the karma in the karmani. In the karta, it is taken by kartari. In the kartari, it is taken by karta. In the karmani, it is taken by karma. Prathama vibhakti. Then karta immediately changes to tritiya. Karma changes to from ditya to prathama. Okay, so it is like Marchukondi, Perchukondi. In Telugu, we play a game like Malle Moggallara. We say like that. So they change the vibhaktis and they play the game. So that makes us what's going on. So that subject, don't use, but let me not use subject for now. Karta, karma, prathama, dvitiya and tritiya. 3 things are there. 3 vibhaktis, 2 karakas. Okay, so this is the game we have to play. Then the second point is the vachana and purusha will change according to karma for the kriya. Okay, and the next point is like the lakara will remain the same. Lakara will remain the same. It will not change. The same. Parasmay pada, atmane pada. One more point. I told all these things, but now I am trying to put it more. So parasmay and atmane. What is there in the parasmay will change to atmane. Atmane termination with yak. With not without yak. Okay. So all the 5 lakaras we are using will definitely take yak. Okay. These are what we have tried to learn today. Right. Now open for questions. Yeah, please ask. Somebody was saying something? No?
No, just citizens, we could say Nagarikaha. Nagarikaha.
Yes. We can say, I think. Nagare bhavaha.
Last sentence, madam. Last sentence.
The moon was seen in the east in the evening. Chandra sayankale purvasyam dishi adrishyata.
Okay.
Then shall we close? स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्याय्येन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शोभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् नमो नमः let us together on like next Tuesday तावत् शुभमस्तु